Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CADNest. I am here along with you. I am from CADNest. I am a civil faculty here. So today's topic is I am just going to discuss about Vastu. See, Vastu is very important for the planning, designing in the civil engineers. So basic things I am just going to explain about the Vastu things. Okay, so have a look on that. So first, what is Vastu? See, Vastu is a Sanskrit word which means vas, life to, you, or a place where you are live or devil. Okay, so Shastra means a text which contains knowledge or instructions. Simply put, Vastu. Shastra means the instruction laid down for the building a structure. Vastu is considered not only for resolving progeny related problems but also helps promote the health and well-being of a child. It is believed that Vastu has a vital role in the birth of progeny. It is considered to be not only resolve progeny related problems but also help promote the health and well-being of a child. Vastu is what Vastu it works. What is Vastu and how it works means, in your home is not constructed according to Vastu rules. The inhabitants may suffer from life endangering diseases. Expert reveals how Vastu does affect the health of occupants. Similarly, if the northeast and northwest zones have Vastu dosha, it may lead to paralytic attacks or brain hemorrhage. Vastu, which literally means house, is a science of arranging the five elements, that is earth, water, fire, air and sky in the complete harmony. If the boring of your building or house has been placed in the wrong direction, it is to have a picture of a Panchmukhi Hanuman facing southwest to the boring. So this is some Vastu diagram. It is some basic things. So here we can see this how the directions it is in here. So here we can see this north, south, east and west. In this one also we are having two categories, still more four categories under that, that is northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. See, if your plan it is in, now see, I have placed some plan here. So you can see this north, south and east. So whatever the things we can place, suppose if we are having one side, so east facing or south facing, anything, so make sure that, see, according to that direction we can do this one. See, in the north side we can place the valuable things like money, you can place balcony or main doors, entrance doors we are going to place in the mostly in the north side, and if it is not entrance doors also, living rooms we can place there. And you can see this one here, northeast. Northeast is a water element. In the northeast we are going to place puja places, okay, like children bathroom, bedrooms, underground water tank. That because of that is water element, that's why we are going to place water tanks or water things we can going to place, and veranda things also you can place there. And you can see in the northwest is a air element, like we are going to place bedrooms for unmarried girls, guest rooms, septic tank, pets places and parking places you can place in the northwest. And you can see this one is the east. In the east most of the things in the east we are going to place main entrance, bathroom, open space we can place, and French windows we are going to place in the east direction. And the west direction we are going to place dining room, overhead water tank, food grain storage, toilets. This all those things we are going to place in the west side. So if you coming to the south side, we can place this bedrooms, toilets, staircase, heavy storage. If you are having any heavy storage, that things we can place in the south side. So here in the southwest is the earth element, that is mostly dark places we can place, the dry parts we can place in that one, that is master bedroom, place to keep or unwanted things. If it is an unwanted things, that one also you can place. And if it is any holy basils also, any holy things also is there we can place in the southwest. So next it is here southeast is a fire element. So in the fire element direction we are going to place kitchen things, kitchen, oven, fridge, electric meter, these things we can place in the southeast because this is fire element. And you can see this according to the Vastu, so some plan is placed here. So in the north, south and west here. So bathroom, dining hall, according to that Vastu it is placed. So you can just go ahead with this and you can make the plan by using this. And you can see this one, some interior works also it is placed according to the Vastu here. So for more information, like our channel, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. For more information, subscribe our channel, like our video, and visit our nearest Cadnes branch for the more information. Thank you so much.